Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be diving into the world of Hisense TVs and exploring how to use USB devices with them. Whether you want to watch your favorite movies, view photos, or listen to music, connecting a USB to your Hisense TV is a convenient way to enhance your entertainment experience. So let's get started. Section 1. Checking your Hisense TV. First things first, let's make sure your Hisense TV supports USB connectivity. Most modern Hisense TVs come equipped with USB ports, usually located on the side or back of the TV. Check your TV's user manual or specifications online to confirm the presence of USB ports and their capabilities. Section 2. Choosing the right USB device. Not all USB devices are created equal. Before connecting, ensure your USB device is formatted correctly and compatible with your Hisense TV. Commonly supported formats include FAT32 and NTFS. If you're unsure about your device's format, we'll quickly guide you on how to check and format it properly on your computer. Section 3. Formatting your USB device. First things first, back up your data. Connect your USB device to your computer and copy all the essential files to a safe location. Now check the current format of your USB device. Right-click on the USB drive icon and select Properties. Navigate to the General tab and look for File System. This will tell you the current format, such as FAT32 or NTFS. Once you've backed up your data, right-click on the USB drive again. This time, select Format. A new window will appear, allowing you to choose the file system and allocation unit size. For compatibility with Roku TV, we recommend FAT32. Wait for the formatting process to complete. Once done, you'll receive a notification. Safely eject the USB device from your computer. Now your USB is formatted and ready for use on your TV. Section 4. Connecting USB to Hisense TV. With our USB device ready, let's connect it to the Hisense TV. Locate the USB port on your TV and gently plug in the USB device. Depending on your TV model, you might have multiple USB ports, so choose the one that suits your preferences. Section 5. Navigating the USB interface. Once connected, grab your TV remote, and let's navigate to the USB interface. File Explorer. Access the app with the buttons on your remote. You should see the contents of your USB device on the screen. Conclusion. And there you have it, a quick and easy guide on how to use USB on your Hisense TV. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy viewing on your Hisense TV.